Okay, Christopher, what we're going to do here on these problems that you said you had some trouble with, I'm going to show you, like Miss Cordova said, you need to treat these ones kind of like you would a multiplication chart. So knowing that, the first thing you have to do whenever you see something like this, okay, you see how it is split into 4 sections, okay? So this could be section 1, this could be section 2, okay, this 3, and this is 4, okay? So we're going to look at section 1 first. Now, if you notice anything, you know, where these darker lines are, anything inside that area is what we are looking at on this problem. So we want to count how many boxes are going down, and then you need to count how many boxes are going across. So this box here has 1, this little section has 1, 2, 3, 4 going down. So I'm going to put 4 over here. And then it has how many going across? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or is that how many it is? I may need to make it bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 going across there. So here's an expression for that section. It would be 4 times 10, okay? And because I know we don't need these anymore, and I don't want to confuse you, I'm going to take these off. Just, you know that there's 4 different sections. Anyways, so there's that one. Then we put a comma. We look at this next section, okay? There's 2 going across. I'm going to put my times sign. How many are going down? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And I put my comma. So you will do the same thing. Count the ones going down, count the ones going across. Put the expression here. It's going to be a certain number times a certain number. And then you will do the same thing on this last section. Okay? Now, the one below it, it doesn't have the little squares, but what does it do for you? It gives you the numbers instead. So like here we have, remember if you'd watched the video, you would have heard Miss Cordova say this is just treated like a multiplication chart. So you do 4 times 10. Put a comma. And then you're going to treat the next one just like you did that one. Okay? So you would go 4 times what? 2. So put your 4 and your 2. Put a comma. And you're going to do the same thing on these last 2. And that is all there is to it. Okay? Bye.